Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, and for today's video I thought I'll give you a quick guide as to the things that are open and what is the tourism update like here in Goa, because I continuously keep getting the same questions asked again and again, so I thought I'd probably give you a latest update of what's happening. So the first things first is about tourism, whether or not are tourists allowed to Goa. Yes, tourists are allowed to Goa. And tourism is slightly picking up, because when we go to the beach side or when we go for, go out for lunch and things like that, you can actually see a lot of tourists. However, the Goa curfew is still in place, as in, you have restaurants with just 50% of dining capacity, and all of these things remains exactly the same. So if at all you're planning for a trip, you can do so, because at this point in time, the rains are not that much compared to what it was just a few weeks ago. So you have the beaches and everything are slightly getting back to normal as to how it used to be before, but of course this is not a season time in Goa, so even if it was not for the virus time, then so the next question that I keep getting asked is whether or not you need an RT-PCR test result. The answer is yes. Whether or not you have taken 2 doses, that really doesn't matter anymore. So even if you have not taken even one single dose, you can still enter into Goa by just having an RT-PCR negative certificate that is valid for within 74 hours from the time you actually take your swab test. So the next question that I keep getting asked is about nightlife, which is currently at this point in time, yes, it is kind of open, and most of the famous bars and pubs are open. And also to do with the market, the flea market, the night market, your Saturday night markets, all of that is completely shut at this point in time. So everything is probably planned to resume maybe October or end of October. And the next question that I keep getting asked is about casinos, whether or not we have casinos that are open. At this point in time, we have absolutely no news about when the casinos will open, but currently they're shut for visitors. So your water sports at this point in time are completely shut because of the monsoon and the high tides. So it's expected to reopen probably in the month of October. And with regards to your waterfalls, most of the waterfalls are actually closed for tourists at this point in time, like your Dudhsagar Fall and all of that. So even if you want to actually go there, then you can probably do a trek, but jeeps, like the transportation that they used to have previously, is not functional anymore. So when is the best time to actually plan for a vacation if this is the scenario? Well, in my opinion, I would suggest that you go ahead and plan your vacation in the month of October, because most things will be back to normal hopefully by then. And for all those of you who have not taken your vaccination, please do go ahead and do so, because this is highly, highly recommended for the safety of yourself and also for the others. And, for all those of you who have taken 1 or 2 doses, which is highly appreciated, because, this is what we need before you actually come to Goa. Go get yourself vaccinated, because at this point in time, Goans are rather 90% of us are vaccinated, and by the next 90 days, we're expecting to have 100% of the population to be vaccinated with 2 doses. So which is why Goa at this point in time has currently opened up tourism. So if at all you like this video, please do give it a big thumbs up, and I will be posting a lot of other videos on updates, and also showing you around places with local cuisines and giving you updates about Panjim, Kalangut, Baga, and many more places. So I hope you stay tuned and do subscribe if you enjoy this video.